Better than sex cake? Question mark? It's actually from my grandmother's recipe collection, and that's how she wrote it. Better than sex? Question mark. Anyway, you can make your favorite yellow cake mix. I actually used a gluten-free one. Bake it and let it cool a bit and punch holes in it with a wooden spoon. Then you're going to take crushed pineapple and sugar and let it come to a boil. Pour it over with all the liquid so it seeps in and makes it so moist. Then you make vanilla pudding, instant vanilla pudding. The full recipe is on my website, just so you know. I just wanted to kind of give you an overview here. You're going to spread the pudding over the pineapples layer, and then you cover that with Cool Whip. I actually think that if you wanted to add a little bit of bourbon or whiskey, or even like amaretto liqueur to the pineapple, or even like a coconut liqueur, I think that might be really good. But this one does not have any alcohol in it. So you're going to spread the Cool Whip over that layer, and you could use fresh whipped cream if you wanted to. I like to use, if I'm going to use whipped cream, I take heavy whipping cream and just beat it until you have soft peaks, and you add a little bit of powdered sugar to that. But Cool Whip is just so easy, and this is kind of a retro recipe, so I thought that would be delicious. And then you cover that with flaked coconut. I actually used unsweetened coconut just to maybe cut down on the sugar content a little bit, and it was very good. But you can use sweetened coconut flakes if you would like. I actually added the cherries. My grandmother didn't have that on her recipe, but I thought it would be pretty. This would be great for a dinner party or a potluck that you need to bring a dessert to. And it's just so delicious. When you cut into it, you'll see that it is just a really moist, scrumptious cake. And of course, you'll be storing this in the fridge. If you have any left over after you serve it, you're going to get 12 servings. It'll be 12 nice size servings. If you wanted to get 16, I think you could also get 16 servings out of this. And in that case, I would use 16 cherries. Do 4 rows of 4 cherries. So I've seen other Better Than Sex cake recipes where it has chocolate in it, but this one's just strictly the pineapple and the pudding and the Cool Whip and the coconut, and it's just so, so good. Find the full recipe on momlovesbaking.com.